Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Mustang airbag light on issue and the likely reasons behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. An airbag light illuminated in the Ford Mustang is commonly described as the warning light staying on continuously, appearing intermittently, or activating after startup and not turning off. Verified owner reports and service information show that airbag warning concerns have been reported across multiple Ford Mustang model years and generations, with causes varying based on restraint system design, sensor inputs, and electronic communication. One verified and frequently reported cause involves seat occupancy or passenger detection system behavior. Faults in the seat sensor or calibration issues can cause the system to detect incorrect occupant status, triggering the airbag warning light. Another confirmed cause relates to wiring or connector issues within the supplemental restraint system. Loose connectors, damaged wiring under the seats, or poor connections at airbag components can interrupt communication and cause the warning light to illuminate. Clock spring-related problems are also documented factors. The clock spring connects steering wheel-mounted components to the vehicle's electrical system, and wear or failure can affect airbag circuit continuity, resulting in an airbag warning. Restraint control module monitoring behavior has also been reported. Stored fault codes, internal module issues, or detected irregular signals can cause the airbag light to remain on until properly diagnosed and cleared. Battery voltage or electrical supply issues are another verified consideration. Low system voltage, battery replacement, or charging system irregularities can temporarily affect airbag system monitoring and trigger warning lights. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include recent interior repairs, seat removal, software-related monitoring behavior, or temporary communication faults. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include scanning the airbag system for diagnostic trouble codes, inspecting seat and steering wheel-related wiring, checking connectors under seats, verifying battery and charging system health, and repairing or replacing faulty restraint components as required. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford Mustang airbag light issues are resolved through wiring repairs, sensor correction, or code clearing rather than airbag deployment or major component replacement. However, experiences vary by model year, restraint configuration, and vehicle usage. In conclusion, a Ford Mustang airbag light on condition is typically linked to sensor input issues, wiring or connector faults, clock spring wear, module monitoring behavior, or electrical supply irregularities. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.